everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you a few latest designs of sarees with stylish blouses. So if you are wearing saree for the first time, then do watch the video till the end to know different types of saree draping styles and how you can carry them. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.